이곳은 미국의 한 고급 아파트. 수상해 보이는 한 사람이 조심스럽게 어느 집의 문을 여는데요. 집을 살펴보던 그가 화장실에서 발견한 것은 다름 아닌 사람의 시체였습니다. 그로부터 56일 전, 우주를 좋아하는 회사원 시아라는 오늘도 출근길에 나서는데, 그런데 마트에 들른 시아라를 빤히 바라보는 한 남자.
Oh,
Sorry.
are you in line?
No. I got the wrong drink.
Hey, NASA. Your bag. I like it. I like your bag.
Thanks. It's from the Space Museum in New York.
Yeah, no, I know the Intrepid. I've always wanted to go.
It's cool, but the Kennedy Space Center I think is cooler. And Kennedy has the Atlantis, which was the real deal.
Are you trying to impress me?
Maybe.
It's working.
시아라는 자신에게 흥미가 있어 보이는 남자 올리버와 짧은 대화를 나누는데요.
My office is right up there on the corner, actually.
So's mine. I'm in tech support.
Ah.
Yeah, for a cloud company. What about you?
I work in architecture. Hey, there's a documentary on Apollo 11 playing at the Adler Theater in Brookline on Wednesday. Do you want to go with me?
Okay. Yeah, give me your phone.
6:30, Westbury Bar.
Okay. See you there.
그렇게 관심사가 비슷한 두 사람은 서로에게 흥미를 느끼게 되죠. 한편 현재 사건이 일어났다는 무전을 듣고 찾아온 형사 리와 코널리.
What do you got here?
Suspected homicide.
Call came in at 5:38. It's a false alarm.
Triggered by hand in the lobby, which...
Who cares until we heard about the smell? Decomp coming out of number 11, too strong for an animal. I knocked, but no answer. Door's unlocked.
That's you? You manage property?
Kevin Sullivan, Watertown Management Group.
Who lives in apartment 11, Kevin?
No idea. That's a corporate rental.
이에 두 형사는 뭔가 큰일이 났을 것 같다는 생각을 하며 아파트 안으로 향합니다.
Kid's got more money than God.
Who pulled the fake fire alarm, Kevin?
Uncle Luke.
I need you to get me the surveillance. The lobby, the elevator, the hallway, and yes, it's in the warrant. These spot numbers that correspond to the apartments?
Yeah, I guess who was ever here? They don't have a car?
일단 코널리는 11호에 살던 사람이 누구인지부터 알아보려 하죠. 이제 화면은 다시 과거로 돌아갑니다. 다시 만난 시아라와 올리버는 바에서 오붓한 시간을 보내는데요.
My dad used to watch this old show called In Search Of. Actually, the episode about UFOs was how I first got interested in space. And then we did a school trip to the Kennedy Space Center, and that sealed it for me.
Another round?
Definitely.
Don't we have to go?
Actually, I blew it. So let's stay here. Maybe we can catch a film later this week. If that works.
You know, I really like it here. I feel like if you drove past this building, you would never know what was on the inside.
So you like secrets?
No, I didn't say that. I think secrets are fucking destructive.
이에 어쩐지 동요하는 올리버.
You don't agree?
Yeah. Bathroom. I'll be right back.
You've reached Troxler Psychotherapy. If this is an emergency, please dial 911.
Dan, that's me. And I don't know what's gonna happen if you don't pick up the fucking phone.
Excuse me.
Let's go. I called an Uber.
그렇게 올리버와 시아라의 첫 데이트는 끝이 납니다. 다음 날 시아라는 고향에 살고 있는 언니와 안부 전화를 나누는데요.
It's nice. It's livable. I feel like termites.
Yeah, Mom was asking me how are you doing today. Told her everything was great. How's she doing, by the way?
Hey, I can't complain. Things have been worse.
I'm sorry, dude. I feel like I should be there with you.
No, don't be sorry. I don't need you here. I need you there.
사실 집안 사정이 안 좋았던 시아라는 돈을 벌기 위해 혼자 도시에 올라와 생활하는 중이었죠. 이와 다르게 아버지 친구 엘리엇의 도움을 받아 그의 회사에서 일하며 부족함 없이 살아가고 있는 올리버.
Ollie, good work. We'll be ready for those water hogs in the penthouse, huh?
I'll make sure of it.
Just don't be afraid to put yourself out there. It's a brand new start.
이에 올리버는 시아라에게 연락해 보는데요.
Hello?
Hey, it's Oliver.
Hey, yeah, I know.
I was hoping that you wanted to maybe do a redo on that movie. I promise no pregame this time.
So I'll see you tonight?
Yeah, so, see you soon.
그렇게 영화관 데이트를 즐기게 된 두 사람.
Armstrong's improvised lunar landing researching forces through the vehicle off balance.
But all you see is the crash. You don't see him eject.
Yeah, but you know that he did, or he would have been dead before he got to the moon.
You have to admit that it wasn't funny.
Yeah, it was. It was funny. I mean, you know that almost every one of those tests ends in ejection? It's like the climax of the thing.
You think they were doing it because they thought it was fun?
Yeah. Have you ever been skydiving?
No, I've never been skydiving. Have you?
No. But I know what it feels like. Want to see?
See what it feels like to go skydiving?
Yeah.
이내 올리버는 시아라를 데리고 어디론가 향합니다.
Get on the club wall all you want, but an industrial humidity reduction fan will give you the thrill of a lifetime. Lean forward. Yeah, is it good? Come on with me.
어느샌가 마음이 통한 두 사람은 올리버의 집에 들어서는데요.
This is how you pictured it?
Your apartment?
No. This?
I don't know what you mean.
Yes, you do. Take off your jacket.
Can I ask you something? This scar that you have, when did you get that?
It's a long time ago. It's an accident.
그저 돈 많은 남자인 줄 알았던 올리버에겐 뭔가 다른 과거가 있는 듯했죠.
Hi.
Hey. How'd you sleep?
Pretty good. What about you?
I didn't. I have problems in that department.
Have you been to a doctor?
Many, many times.
And do they know why?
Why I can't sleep? Same reason as everybody else. Coffee?
No, thank you. I actually really have to get going.
결국 대화를 빨리 넘기려는 듯한 올리버의 모습에 시아라도 더 묻지 않고 돌아갑니다. 다시 현재 형사들은 마침내 사건 발생 장소로 진입하는데요. 영문모를 악취에 인상을 찌푸리며 집안을 수색하는 형사들. 이내 형사들은 욕조에서 다 녹아버린 시신 한 구를 발견하게 됩니다.
Talked to the ME. She said she's gonna prioritize the autopsy.
Good luck with that. This body's in 100 pieces.
Hey, you find a wallet, credit card, anything with a name on it?
No, but what was by the bed?
TNT, Liquid X, Murder One, Dance Fever.
이에 용의자 혹은 피해자가 마약과 관련됐을 거라고 생각하는 커널리.
We got a hashtag. Crime at the crossings.
Keep an eye on the comments, see if anyone knows who lived here. A woman who wears a size 7.5 shoe.
또한 두 사람은 피해자가 여자일 가능성이 높다고 확신하죠. 그로부터 48일 전 시아라는 썸 타기 시작한 올리버와 함께 점심시간을 갖는데요.
There you go.
Can I ask you, what's with the cash? Because I've never seen you use a credit card.
It's a mistrust of the financial industrial complex.
Hey, I get it. I mean, I don't want corporate overlords all up in my business either, so.
Is that why you're not on social media?
예상치 못한 질문에 당황하는 시아라.
Of course I looked. Not on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Nothing.
Yeah, no, I used to be on all that stuff, but then this guy in Tulsa stole my sister's identity and used it to try to buy a car. So I took myself off of everything after that.
It's not just social media, though. You're not on the internet at all.
I don't know. I guess my life's not very notable.
그러나 올리버는 아무렇지 않게 대답하는 시아라를 조금 의심하게 되죠.
Can I come see you tonight?
Not if I see you first. Let me bring dinner to your place.
Oh no! But your place is so much better.
I don't care, I'm coming over.
Okay.
I'll see you at 6:30.
Okay, I'll text you the address.
결국 집으로 달려온 시아라는 허겁지겁 방을 정리하기 시작하는데요. 그런데 이때 시아라는 뜬금없이 알람을 맞춰둡니다. 그리고 얼마 지나지 않아 도착한 올리버.
Oh my god, thank you. These are so beautiful. Why aren't you saying anything
About what?
about this place? I know it's a dump. My work was just starting and it was the only thing I could find on such short notice.
I don't think this place is a dump. I like attic apartments.
Just thinking about how we once lived in a house that I thought was haunted. I would hear these creaks in the middle of the night and this low hum, like someone was moaning. Then I thought that it must be these little glass animals that my mother collected, coming alive in the night and running around. My house was kind of lonely growing up. My sister was never really home and my mom was pretty out of it most of the time. So I thought that they would come find me or something.
이에 올리버는 외로웠을 시아라를 위로해주죠. 얼마 뒤 맞춰뒀던 시아라의 알람이 울리는데요.
Hello?
마치 통화를 한 것처럼 뻔뻔하게 거짓말을 치는 시아라.
Well, I assume that you're gonna put me up somewhere. Okay, well, that's not gonna work. I signed this lease less than 2 months ago and no one said anything about this. Can I speak to the owner of the building? Yeah, please, have her call me. Thank you.
What was that?
I have to leave for 3 weeks for some massive extermination.
Are they tenting?
No, it's more than that. They have to repair the truss.
You can stay with me.
No, I can't.
Yeah. Yeah, you can stay with me. I have a whole other room just sitting there, empty.
No, that's incredibly generous of you, but I don't think I can ask you to do that. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna be able to figure something out. It's okay.
결국 시아라에게 속아 넘어간 올리버는 그녀에게 동거를 권유하죠.
It's only 3 weeks. I mean, by the time you hate me, it'll be over.
I'm not gonna hate you.
Then we're good.
그리고 현재 사건 현장을 조사 중인 형사들.
Well, we got this shitty heater and corrosives. Somebody Googled how to get rid of this guy. And then it's this. I mean, we're supposed to think Fat Cat lives here, but this jacket straight out of dry cleaners. The scene is staged. But why? To make it look like a cartel thing?
Or to screw us on the identity of the victim, make us waste the first 2 days trying to find out who he is.
이때 건물 관리인이 나타나는데요.
Don't move.
Why is he here?
I don't understand how you people do this for a living.
We wanted to be douchebag landlords, but we failed the test. Give me that, man.
Is this our tenant?
Yeah.
Oliver Kennedy. So very blue blood.
He's month to month.
Kubler Burhane Studios. That's the owner of this apartment?
사건 현장은 바로 올리버의 집이었던 것이죠.
You call Cooper Brain. I'm gonna run the ID.
이내 화면은 다시 과거로 돌아가 우편물을 확인하는 올리버의 모습을 비추는데, 사실 대기업 회장의 아들인 올리버는 모종의 사건으로 몰래 성을 받고 살아가고 있었습니다. 그리고 올리버는 이 사실을 누군가에게 들켰다는 생각에 극도로 불안해지죠. 이에 곧장 상담사 땐 트록슬러에게 이 사실을 털어놓는 올리버.
Before we get started, you left me a pretty intense message the other night.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
If you leave me a distress call after hours, it's important we touch base the next day.
Someone left me an envelope with my name on it. I guess they were just testing.
Who knows you're living in Boston now?
You, the family, Elliot Burhane.
You haven't told anyone else?
No.
Any new friends?
Yes. Okay. I was meaning to tell you this. I met someone, but she's nice and smart and funny and
Where'd you meet?
grocery store near my office. Her name's Ciara, and it's fine. Okay? Don't worry. I haven't told her anything.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, I haven't told her anything about myself that isn't surface level. I'm new to the city. I'm working at an architecture firm. I'm an insomniac.
But we're talking about you. I know how lonely you are, but don't you think it's more important to protect yourself? If you need to get rid of that letter and break it off now, before you do something you'll regret.
하지만 올리버는 시아라와 헤어질 생각이 없었죠.
You wanna start bringing over your stuff tonight?
그 무렵 가족들과 통화 중이던 시아라.
Where the hell have you been? I'm so sorry. I've been totally slammed. I tried to call Mom, but she's not picking up.
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, Mom. Talk to Megan.
Hi, Mom. How's it going?
Super bullshit. Hey, honey, will you give me another one of those beers? Oh, what did your sister tell you? House you grew up in belongs to the bank.
그새 집이 넘어가게 생긴 상황이었지만 시아라에겐 믿는 구석이 있었는데요.
Okay, well, Mom, listen, I mean, you still have time, right?
Listen, how much do you need for the house?
$42 million.
Okay, I'm being serious. What do you need, like $5,000?
Something like that. I lost track.
Okay, well, tell the bank that you're gonna have that this month.
But I won't. So why would I tell him that?
Yes, you will. I will. Where are you gonna get that kind of money?
I just said work's going really good.
Not 10 grand good. I just don't know what you're up to, but...
Don't you trust me?
Hell no. No, I never have. You remember...
When you stole that guinea pig from church and I found it in your dresser drawer?
That's when I knew. I have a little freak on my hands.
People owe us for what they put us through, and I'm making them pay, okay? And that's really all you need to know right now.
Who?
Who are you talking about?
Keep this conversation between us, okay? I really mean it.
Hey,
Stop.
시아라는 올리버의 돈을 빼낼 생각이었죠. 다시 현재. 사건 현장에 살던 올리버에 대해 조사하던 코널리는 그의 신분이 가짜였다는 사실을 알아냅니다. 이와 동시에 리 역시 올리버의 직장 상사 엘리엇을 만나는데요.
The detective?
Lee Reardon. I need to ask you about Oliver Kennedy. He lived in your company's apartment? He worked for you?
Yeah, I haven't been in the office for a couple of weeks. Did something happen to him?
Not necessarily. A body was found in the apartment.
Company apartment.
Apartment 11. That's all I can say right now. Can you think of anyone who would want to hurt Oliver?
Of course not.
When did you hire him?
A couple months ago, we needed a new technologist.
And when did you last see him?
When I ran into him at the park on the pier a couple Saturdays ago.
And then you just stopped coming to work?
I guess so.
Who lived here with him?
No one that I know of.
Okay. What if I told you that I just got the results back from a bottle of medication we found in the apartment? It's a sedative called propofol. It was stolen from a hospital. It may have been used in this crime, and if the victim isn't Oliver, then Oliver may still be out there somewhere.
Detective Connolly, you are?
Elliot Burhane, Oliver Kennedy's boss.
You do know that Oliver Kennedy isn't his real name, right? I mean, it's on his ID, but the person never even existed till December of last year.
I don't know where you're getting this information.
Great state of Massachusetts Registry of Motor Vehicles, man.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about.
그러나 형사의 부탁에도 엘리엇은 모르는 척 자리를 뜹니다.
Mr. Burhane, I just need to know the last time you saw him, what did Oliver say to you?
You leave Ollie alone.
Mr. Burhane. Mr. Burhane, why don't you, You can thank me now. I got something.
Oh, yeah? You think?
He just called Oliver Kennedy Ollie. He said, leave Ollie alone. You gotta be alive to be left alone.
그렇게 단서를 조합하던 형사들은 올리버는 살아있고 그가 같이 살던 여자친구를 죽였다는 생각에 이르죠.
Reardon, we'll be there.
다시 과거로 돌아가 마침내 동거를 시작한 올리버와 시아라.
You think?
You never know. But what made you get into architectural technology to begin with?
I don't know. I sort of fell into it. I didn't know what I was going to do with my life. I mean, when I was younger, I was sure that I was going to be an astronaut. Yeah. A fucking astronaut. It's just so laughable.
I don't think so.
Yes, it is. Maybe I was never meant to wear the meatball after all.
What's the meatball?
The meatball. The spacesuit. It's been the logo forever.
I've never heard anyone call it a meatball.
That's everyone calls it the meatball. What do you call it?
I don't know. I call it nothing.
How do you not know about this? It's a basic fact.
Of course I know the fucking meatball.
Uh-huh.
You sound scary.
하지만 올리버는 시아라가 장난인 척 얼버무렸다는 생각을 지울 수 없었죠.
Who do you think I am? Can I go take a bath?
Yeah, of course.
I'm really tired. Are you tired?
Good night.
Good night.
이때 주사기를 꺼내드는 올리버. 그렇게 올리버는 잠에 빠져들고 기다렸다는 듯 시아라가 눈을 뜹니다. 하지만 올리버의 금고를 털어보려던 시아라는 비밀번호를 찾지 못해 실패하고 말죠.
Oliver. What is this?
It's propofol. I use it to sleep sometimes.
Where did you get it?
From a doctor?
사실 정신적인 문제로 불면증을 앓고 있어 약물 없인 잠들지 못하는 올리버.
They call it a dysregulated HPA axis.
Were you born with this?
No, it's caused by anxiety. I've tried everything. None of it works. And after 3 or 4 nights in a row, I stopped being able to tell what's real and what's not.
What are you so anxious about?
Everything. Regrets, Mistakes?
Like what?
I should call work.
그 와중에도 올리버의 비밀번호를 기억한 시아라는 다음 기회를 노리기로 합니다.
So, what time do you get off work?
5, but I have to stop at home and get on my last couple things that I need to bring over.
Am I seeing you tonight?
Yeah.
7?
I'll see you then.
그렇게 헤어지는 두 사람. 물론 다니는 회사조차 거짓이었던 시아라는 자연스럽게 다른 곳으로 빠져나가죠. 한편 아파트의 CCTV를 확인하던 코널리.
29 a.m. When you pull the alarm, it calls the fire department automatically.
Scary looking dude. Got any more of that?
No, that's all we got after he exits.
Let's take it back to the garage. Kevin Sullivan, that's you?
Hey, detective.
Come in here, man. Take a look at this.
Okay, so this parking spot is assigned to apartment 11. It's usually empty, but about a month ago, someone started parking in it.
Is that him? Oliver Kennedy?
Yeah, I think so. Man, who is this Oliver Kennedy with?
This looks like some girl. Can you zoom in on the plate?
No, man, you can't do that. It's the problem with the security footage. It is shit.
Is that the killer?
Not necessarily. The body was there for a long time. You don't rot like that overnight.
Right.
마침내 코널리는 올리버의 여자친구이자 피해자로 유력해진 시아라의 얼굴을 알아내죠. 이내 화면은 그 시아라의 모습을 비춥니다.
What are you doing tonight? Stripping at Silhouettes?
No, sorry. That's not how I'm getting the money.
Okay. I mean, Megan, tell me right now, you're scaring me.
I may have access to some funds.
What funds?
From the St. Ledger Corporation.
Wait. Oh my God, that's what you meant. You told Mom that people owe us. You meant Oliver St. Ledger.
Yeah, she wasn't supposed to tell you that. Please, just don't worry about anything.
Don't worry. It's
그런데 놀랍게도 두 사람은 과거에 올리버와 안 좋게 엮인 적이 있는 듯했죠.
okay.
Hey. Can I give you a call back? I'm just on the other line.
No need. I'm downstairs in the lobby. You get off work now, right?
The lobby? Where?
Your building? I got off work early. My boss loaned me his car to help with your move.
Oh, amazing. Can you just give me 15 minutes? I'm just running a little bit behind.
Yeah, no rush. I'll be here.
이에 발등에 불이 떨어진 시아라는 급히 거짓말 쳤던 회사로 향하는데요. 안타깝게도 이를 전혀 눈치채지 못한 올리버는 시아라와 함께 집으로 향합니다.
This car is beautiful.
Elliot does more for me than I deserve. He and my father went to Princeton together, and I think he had feelings that went beyond friendship. But I don't know, sometimes I think Elliot gets sentimental for what never happened.
That's kind of sad.
Not really. He's happy now. Plus, he's got 3 cars. This is just one.
현재 사건 현장을 감식 중인 형사들.
No. Give me a minute. What is that?
A silver stud, maybe 4mm. We found it in the bathtub.
Is there anything else from the tub that would indicate sex?
Not that I can tell.
You get what I just sent you?
Yes, I'm surprised. I thought a 10-year-old brat pulled that alarm. This feels connected, like the killer coming back to the scene.
Either that or co-conspirator, involved with the perp or the victim sexually or druggily.
이내 리는 상사에게 여러 단서들을 보고하는데요.
Reardon.
How's it going, Lee?
It's going. Body sent
Sent to autopsy. I have a feeling we'll be sorting a lot of tips when it hits the news. It's not good. And now we got a
Call
call
from some big dick litigator. Says he works for a guy named Elliot Burhane.
We spoke to him a few hours ago, and he gave us some pushback. I mean, his firm owns the apartment where we found the victim.
Anyway, now this is why I'm calling. Calling about a guy who goes by Linus Finch.
Yeah, low-level drug dealer with aspirations. I met him on a tip today, but I'm pretty sure he's not our guy. Why?
Conley passed along his plate. Turns out Vice is tracking him for that
Drug ring down at the university. You don't know him.
No.
Then why am I looking at a picture of him riding shotgun in your car last month? Anything I need to know? It's best I hear it from you. Wrap it up down there.
Yes, ma'am.
이에 유명 마약상 라이너스 핀치와 몰래 교제 중이던 리는 크게 당황합니다. 다시 과거, 우편을 확인하던 올리버는 또다시 편지가 온 것을 알게 되는데요. 하지만 전화를 받지 않는 상대방 때문에 올리버는 또다시 불안해집니다.
Nothing. Let's get Thai food.
This is in my mind that I can't go. When you in my heart, so maybe.
결국 대면 상담을 받으러 되네 상담소로 향하는 올리버. 그런데 그때 올리버는 누군가 자신을 쫓아오는 듯한 기분까지 들기 시작합니다. 겨우 상담소에 도착한 올리버.
I'm out of propofol.
You're burning through the medication too fast.
It's the only thing that helps.
What do you think has made sleep harder lately?
I got another envelope. This one, it said Ollie St. Ledger. Had a phone number. So I called it, but I hung up after one ring.
You still seeing that woman we discussed?
No. No, we're so different, it was never gonna work out. I am telling you, someone knows who I am, and they're stalking me. I could swear that someone was following me this morning on my way here. It was a woman. She had red hair. She was driving a blue car. Someone has identified me, and they're targeting me.
같은 시간 시아라는 올리버의 엄마인 척 계좌이체를 노려보는데요.
Starman Inc. It is a corporate trust that I opened for my son, Oliver St. Ledger.
You're Chicky St. Ledger?
Yes. I would like to transfer $10,000 from this account to a personal checking.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You can't access these funds until this matures in April next year.
Can I pay a penalty?
I'm afraid not. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you.
Would you be
No,
interested?
bye.
하지만 실패하고 마는 시아라. 잠시 후 상담을 마친 올리버가 아파트에 도착하고 이 사실을 꿈에도 모르는 시아라는 다시 금고를 열어보려고 합니다.
You scared me.
What are you doing?
That's so crazy. I didn't even hear you come in.
이 모습에 올리버는 시아라를 의심하기 시작하죠. 그리고 현재 올리버가 받았던 익명의 편지를 발견하는 리.
Linus Finch. You know him?
I know Lee was talking to him this morning. This local dealer down in Seaport says she met him off a tip.
I don't think so. I snagged a picture of the two of them last month meeting in the parking lot at the fucking zoo.
한편 코널리는 상사로부터 리에게 마약상 라이너스 핀치에 대해 물어볼 것을 요청받습니다.
Where have you?
What's going on, Lee? Got it from Russo. Who is he? Tell me.
I can't. Listen, I don't want to lie to you, and but I have been for a long time, and I need you to let me do it a little bit longer.
이에 코널리는 차마 더 묻지 못하고 리는 사건에 대한 이야기를 하기 시작하는데요.
I went to the junk mail bin, and I found this guy, Ollie St. Ledger. Oliver St. Ledger, that's his name. Yeah, and his propofol was stolen from a hospital somewhere. Or what's the name of it? What's the name of the hospital? Carl, what was the name of it? The propofol.
I don't know. County East.
County East. It's in Narragansett. Okay. This is it. This is him. Oliver St. Ledger, son of billionaire venture capitalist Casper St. Ledger, age 33, from Narragansett, Rhode Island. Disappeared after dodging arrest for first-degree murder.
마침내 두 사람은 올리버가 살인 전적이 있다는 사실을 알아내는데 성공합니다. 그로부터 약 한 달 전, 아슬아슬한 동거 생활을 이어가고 있는 올리버와 시아라.
Are you working today?
I'm gonna go to the office after the gym.
On a weekend?
The initial render for the bank retrofit, it's got a tight deadline. Is that my shirt?
Yeah.
Is that why you were, in my closet?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself. Why? Why else would I be in your closet?
If you were looking at the safe, it's not mine. It was in the apartment when I got here, already locked, and I don't have the combination.
No, I wasn't. But okay. Was there somewhere you had to be at 5:30 this morning?
I went to go see my therapist.
Do you find that it helps you?
I will say, it doesn't hurt.
Usually when someone says I will say, it means there's something else that they won't say.
It's my mom. She only ever calls me when she needs tech support. Anyway, I need to go.
I was thinking I could swing by your work for lunch today.
I'm gonna be really busy, and if I need to eat, I'll just order something from the office.
이때다 싶던 시아라는 올리버의 메일을 뒤져보는데요. 기어이 시아라는 올리버의 돈을 인출하는데 성공합니다.
Hey. Oh shit. I thought that you were gonna be at work. I was just gonna leave you a message.
Why are you so jacked up?
I got the money.
Wait,
Yeah.
are you kidding?
No. And it's a bank transfer, so it's gonna take like a week or two to go through, but I fucking did it.
Is it really from the St. Ledgers?
Don't tell mom.
Wait, is it the whole $5,000?
Yeah, it's even a little bit more than that.
How are you not gonna get busted?
Because it's not like a check made out to us. It's complicated, but I'll tell you when I get home.
When's that gonna be?
I kind of feel like I should wait until the money transfers, right? So, I don't know, just keep checking.
As soon as it does, you're coming home, right?
Yeah, I might stay a little longer, because my job's not done.
So quit.
I don't know if I want to. Liking it more than I thought I would. And it's not all about the money.
하지만 올리버가 좋아지기 시작한 시아라는 아직 떠날 생각이 없었죠.
Stop asking questions.
To the brutal murder of prep school student Paul Sparling, found on the banks of a tidal inlet near the Narragansett Bay on June 5th, 2009. Autopsy ruled a homicide. Fellow student Shane Martin was arrested for first-degree murder, though it was widely believed his classmate Oliver St. Ledger was responsible for the crime.
Yeah, his dad's name's Casper St. Ledger. On the 2018 Midas list of world's richest venture capitalists.
And whoever wrote this. Oh. You just left a phone number.
You've reached Jane Miller. Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Ms. Miller,
그리고 형사들은 올리버에게 보낸 편지의 주인공이 제인 밀러라는 사람임을 알게
As
됩니다.
soon as you can, we have a few questions. I'll text you my number.
잠시 후 다시금 현장을 조사해보는 두 사람.
Heard the text talking about the skull fragment. They seem to think the victim is a woman. Listen, I tried Jane Miller again. Her mailbox is full now.
Oh no. Yo.
Hey, I ran Jay Miller against her phone number. I think she's here somewhere. She filed a vandalism report with BPD a month ago on a New York plate.
Do we have an address?
Yeah, this one.
그런데 놀랍게도 제인 밀러는 사건 현장과 같은 아파트에 살고 있었는데요.
When you say vandalism, my mind goes to keyed or egged. Hey. The vandalism happened here.
Stefan lived in the building.
Apartment 7.
형사들은 곧장 제인의 집에 찾아갑니다.
Police? Anyone home? Jane?
한편 헬스장에 있던 올리버를 찍어가는 수상한 여자. 바로 그때 여자에게서 수상쩍은 느낌을 받은 올리버는 급히 그녀를 뒤쫓아갑니다.
Oliver?
놀랍게도 그녀가 올리버에게 편지를 보낸 사람이자 그를 쫓아다닌 제인 밀러였죠. 이에 곧장 그녀의 뒤를 쫓아가는 올리버.
What the fuck? Where are you going? Where are you going? No fucking way.
그런데 제인이 들어간 곳은 올리버가 사는 아파트의 주차장이었는데요. 극도로 예민해진 나머지 분노를 참지 못하고 깽판을 치는 올리버.
Hey, dude! What the fuck? Hey, you can't do that. There's cameras down here. Whoa, hey, take it easy, man. Don't worry about the camera. I can help with that.
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
Get rid of it. If that's good with you.
Okay.
결국 올리버는 관리인에게 돈을 주고 무마하죠. 그렇게 돈을 받고 CCTV를 지워줬던 관리자.
Hey, my man, Kevin Sullivan. How you doing?
Yeah, great, thanks.
Yeah. I think you had a little incident down in the parking garage.
Looks like this is the first day we see it all bashed up like that. I got caught like that last year with this lady, boy.
Hey, back it up a little bit. Back it.
Whoa.
What time is that?
3:16 p.m. But then, poof, goes to 11:23 a.m. I don't know what happens in between then.
Oh, I know. Somebody wiped the evidence.
It's possible that resyncing the individual cameras caused a slippage in the footage.
And you don't know Oliver Kennedy? That's the story you sticking with?
That's not a story.
What about Jane Miller, the owner of the car?
I don't think so. Is she new?
Kevin Sullivan. Oh man, I gotta let you know a few things, man. I'm a homicide detective. Destruction of evidence, that's not my favorite thing. But look, I'm willing to overlook all of that. I don't give a fuck about you. My only job here today is to sort out what the fuck happened to that human puree floating in that bathtub. And I don't believe, not for 1 second, that slippage caused that tape to erase itself. But what I do believe, 100%, you the motherfucker who pulled that fire alarm.
Ooh, I did not do that.
졸지에 의심을 살 뻔한 관리자는 결국 전심전력으로 형사들을 돕기로 하죠.
Looks good to me.
Police Department, Jane Miller?
그리고 제인의 집을 수색하던 형사들은 놀라운 말을 듣게 됩니다.
Kevin Sullivan, who owns this apartment?
Same company owns Oliver Kennedy's apartment. His boss, Elliot Burhane.
다시 과거, 올리버는 상담사 댄에게 제인에 대해 말하는데요.
And so I followed her out of the gym and I called the number on the letter and her phone rang. It's her. She's the one who left the letter. And so then I kept following her and she's here, Dan. In my fucking building.
Stop spitting. This woman is harassing you. Intentionally trying to throw you off balance. You cannot allow her to trigger violent behaviors.
Well, it's too late. No, I want to know what she wants from me right fucking now.
She wants something from Oliver St. Ledger, but you are Oliver Kennedy, a man who lets go of the past and embraces the future. Something wrong? Oliver, is someone there?
No. No, it's nothing.
Does this have anything to do with the woman you explicitly told me you'd stopped seeing? Come on, Ollie. I know when you're lying to me. Your paranoia, the emotional lability, these are classic traits of a person with sex on the brain.
I thought it was going to be different this time, but I don't know.
Is it possible you didn't think it would be different, you just wanted it to be different? But I don't think I need to tell you that sometimes we're not ready emotionally, psychologically, for what we want. Sometimes we just need to walk away. We've talked about all this before.
온갖 가스라이팅으로도 모자라 자신을 만나지 말라는 소리에 화가 난 시아라.
What's wrong with you? I was in the middle of a private conversation.
With a guy who was baby-stepping you through every decision in your life.
It's called therapy. It's what people do when they want to better themselves.
Believe me.
No, it's just that ever since I met you, my life has spun out of control, and Dan, he knows me.
You pay him to know you. Can't you see how fucked up that is?
Can I be honest? I just fucking met you last month. So I don't know what you want me to say to you without my...
You're right. Maybe you're right. Why don't we just stay strangers who fuck and share a fridge?
And, yeah, and share a safe.
I was looking at your fancy fucking shirts! I didn't know that your closet was some mysterious no-fly zone. Maybe we should negotiate. You can tell me exactly where I'm allowed to be.
Okay, not there and not in my office. I already have a stalker. I don't need another one.
You think I'm a stalker?
그러나 형편없는 상담사에게 조종당하는 올리버는 시아라의 마음을 이해하지 못한 채 화를 냅니다.
Well, is it so wrong that I can have some fucking privacy?
Oliver, have you ever had a relationship, a real relationship with another human being? Or are you so busy and consumed with learning everything about yourself and hoarding every gory detail for yourself?
I'm avoidant and you're insecure. I'm glad that we cleared that up. That's good.
Oh my God. You are so damaged!
끝내 두 사람은 크게 다투게 되죠. 이내 감정이 극에 달한 올리버는 제인 밀러를 찾아가는데요.
Hi, I'm Oliver Kennedy. I live in the building. I think I saw you in the garage today, but I don't think we've ever met. I think there's been some kind of misunderstanding. You keep on leaving these notes in my mailbox addressed to Oliver St. Ledger? That's not my name.
Oliver, I know.
You know what?
I know who you are.
I mean, so do I. I'm Oliver Kennedy.
I know what you did.
어떻게 된 일인지 제인은 올리버의 과거를 다 알고 있는 듯했죠. 그날 밤 감정을 삭히고 돌아온 올리버.
I'm sorry. That I'm so crazy.
It's okay.
그렇게 두 사람은 가까스로 화해합니다.
I was looking at your safe this morning. I typed your birthday into the keypad, and it was dumb. And I was embarrassed, so I lied. But I wasn't trying to steal anything, I swear I wasn't.
I believe you.
I think that the safe was like a metaphor for breaking into your brain or something. You know, the whole point of trust is taking a risk. It's killing you to keep it locked up inside. I just need to know what it is. Oliver.
화면은 다시 현재로 돌아와 제인의 집을 수색 중인 형사들을 비추는데요.
Where are you, Jane Miller?
놀랍게도 제인의 방은 올리버에 대한 정보로 빼곡했습니다.
Carl, come in here.
바로 그때
Can I help you?
Look who's not dead.
I'm a freelance reporter. I'm working on a story about Oliver St. Ledger in the context of his extended family.
Yeah, so what was the angle here? Kill a rich kid, pays his way out of justice, where is he now, sort of thing?
Something like that, yes.
Now, I saw your car in the garage, so I'm gonna assume that interview didn't go too well.
No, I never got my interview.
Why did you think that the best way to get the interview was to drop off an anonymous letter?
There was no way he'd say yes to an interview. But if he felt like the grace period of his anonymity was coming to an end, he might be more susceptible to my suggestion that he control the narrative himself.
You ever meet his girlfriend?
Yeah, a couple times. Which is ironic, considering their whole relationship was a lie. She's a con artist.
Why would you say that?
She was after him for his money. She knew who he was and she stayed with him. But he didn't know she knew.
사실 올리버의 과거를 이미 알고 있었던 시아라. 이 사실을 전혀 모르는 올리버는 시아라와 함께 축제를 즐기고 있었는데
Is this where we're going?
Huh? Yeah, it could be.
Hey, look who's here.
Hey, Elliot.
Or am I the last idiot you expected to see here? Huh? Hey, you want to grab a drink?
No. I think it's too crowded.
Oh, no, come on, just one. We got a table.
이에 엘리엇을 따라가던 두 사람. 그런데
Hi. Hi, Allison. Hi.
This is our friend Jane, and this is Ciara.
Hi. It's so nice to meet you both.
You too. Ciara, did you say?
Yeah, exactly.
놀랍게도 스토커로 생각했던 제인은 엘리엇 부부와 아는 사이였던 것.
Why would you just grab me whatever you think?
Yeah.
때문에 올리버는 제인이 혹시나 자신의 과거를 시아라에게 말할까 두려워지는데요.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Why do you ask?
Your boyfriend isn't who you think he is. Oliver Kennedy isn't his real name.
He's dangerous. He killed someone.
I know.
What? How can you be with him? I don't understand.
No one's asking you to.
All I was told was Jane needed a place to stay. She's researching stories.
The story's me. Elliot, I'm the fucking story.
Come on.
No, she's stalking me. In my home, on the street, at the gym. And right now she's talking to Ciara, and she's probably fucking talking about me.
Ollie, if you want to build a real relationship, you're gonna have to tell her sometime.
Yeah, well, I did that last time and it didn't go so well.
Came to tell the story about the murder he committed in Narragansett.
And the massive cover-up. His family is just as fucked up as he
He's
is.
been evading responsibility for years. Maybe you could tell him to talk to me.
You know, you're not the first girl to get caught up in this.
He had a serious girlfriend in London, Lucy Hargrove.
Oliver told Elliot he was planning to propose, that he wanted her to know the truth. So he told her everything. And she freaked out. She ran for her life. He was devastated, but what did he expect?
You told her everything?
About the murder. He killed his classmate at Bridgefield Prep, Paul Sparling.
올리버가 친구를 죽였다는 것보다 다른 여자에게 과거를 고백했다는 말에 당황해하던 시아라는 때마침 언니에게서 온 연락을 받고 자리를 뜹니다.
What the fuck is this? 100 grams can't be right, Meg.
But it is. I promise.
This is insane. The Narrow River Memorial Fund? Wait, you really think the St. Ledgers are just gonna, what, consider it a contribution or something?
This is like a drop in the bucket to him, Shyla. He has so much money he's not gonna care. He's not even gonna notice. He's been in hiding for so long. He goes by Oliver Kennedy now, and he has no life.
What are you talking about? How do you even know that?
Because I met him. Because I know him now. Okay? And by the way, he's not what you think.
I'm gonna puke. Mom's gonna die.
Don't tell Mom, dude. I'm gonna tell Mom because I'm the one who got this money.
You stole it.
No, I earned it.
Oh, yeah? By doing what, Meg? Are you fucking a killer?
Yeah, I am.
당연하게도 시아라의 언니는 시아라를 이해할 수 없었죠. 그런데 그때
I should have known. The money. I want you to get what you want. But I want me to get what I want too. I need a reputable source. I fell in love. I had no idea who he was, and when I found out, it was too late. First my story, then the book, the podcast, then the movie. Everyone will love you. This is an opportunity for you to reinvent your life on your own terms. But if that doesn't appeal to you, I will call the police. And you will go to prison for embezzling from the richest, most psychotic family in America.
You're bad at your job.
Okay.
Off the record, I fell in love with the Narrow River Killer. But he didn't tell me anything. Because I knew so much already. I knew every city. I knew every alias. I knew his social security number. I knew his mother's maiden name. And today, he's gonna tell me what happened that day that Paul Sparling died. And when he does, I promise, I am never going to tell you.
결국 시아라의 광기에 당황한 제인이 먼저 자리를 뜨고 시아라는 과거가 알려질 것 전전긍긍하던 올리버가 이상해진 것을 발견합니다.
What did that woman say to you?
I think you know. You want to go outside?
The ground is moving. Can you feel?
Don't look at the ground. Why don't you look at me?
I can't look at you. I can't talk to you. I can't tell you. I can't tell you.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You know why? Because we need to get past this, okay? So, if you don't want to go, maybe I go. I can go first.
No, I don't want. If I tell you, then you'll hate me.
I'm not gonna hate you.
You're gonna hate me.
Oliver, I'm not gonna hate you.
Yes, you will. You'll hate me, and then you will leave. And I don't want that. And whatever you have to say to me, don't say to me. Just don't say it, and then we can just keep it the same as it is. I can't.
과거 때문에 괴로워하는 올리버의 모습이 안타깝던 시아라.
Okay, come here. It's okay. Stay with me. Can you hear me?
들리지는 않겠지만 시아라는 결국 자신이 먼저 입을 열기로 합니다.
My name is not Ciara.
My name is Megan, and we did not meet on accident. I came here to find you on purpose, to take what you owe me and my family, because I thought I knew what happened in that river, but I don't know, maybe I don't. And I grew up believing that you were a monster, and now I don't know that either. Maybe you're not. I don't know. I can't tell. But if you could have just been honest with me, I really think that I would have found a way to understand you. Because somewhere, this became really real for me. This is real for me.
하지만 시아라의 진심을 듣지 못하는 올리버.
And I think I wanted to believe. I think I wanted us to work somehow. But now I see, I know we can't. I know we can't. And that's really sad. I really could have loved you.
그리고 올리버가 눈을 떴을 때 시아라는 이미 사라진 뒤였죠. 시점은 다시 현재로 돌아갑니다. 제인의 집을 수색하던 코널리는 놀라운 것을 발견하는데요.
Detective Reardon, I need to speak to you for a minute.
Wait, right here. Is that Russo on the phone?
Yeah, it's all good. Check this out. What the hell? She's some kind of bank robber?
She's the lobby goblin.
That's what I'm saying. Look.
This is the coat. This is the crime scene.
Yeah. She took a picture of a dead body. What the fuck kind of shit is that?
Explains why she didn't return my calls. She is telling a very morbid story here.
Yeah, she is. And people like that shit for some reason.
Okay, we've got the false alarm, misprison of felony.
Really?
I'm calling it burglary.
Burglary. I like burglary.
바로 올리버의 집에 몰래 들어가 시체 사진을 찍고 허위 경보를 울린 사람은 제인이었던 것.
Thanks for your cooperation.
What was that?
Medical examiner, autopsy begins in 90 minutes.
Almost hit it.
We've got to make sure CSR is good to go and file charges.
All right, well, I'll file. You reach out to the text. Have somebody drop you off at the ME in 40 minutes?
이에 코널리는 부검 결과를 확인하기 위해 떠나고 리는 누군가의 차에 탑승하는데
Where you wanna go?
그는 바로 마약상 라이너스 핀치였죠. 이를 알리 없는 코널리는 부검 소식을 듣게 되는데요.
Oh, what you see? Is there anything you can give me?
I can draw a fairly certain conclusion. The victim is male.
지금껏 피해자가 올리버의 여자친구라고 생각해왔던 형사들의 예상과는 전혀 다르게 피해자는 남자였던 것이죠.
Hey.
Hey, there you are. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, hey, sorry. I caught up here after you left.
Okay, yeah, listen, forget about it. Did you get my text?
Turns out Tubbs Stu's pronouns are he, him.
I'm not.
Yeah, listen, if this body is
St.
St.
Ledger's, then we need to forget about the girlfriend. Go back to revenge.
I just said good thinking. That's good thinking.
Yeah, let me ask you a question. Where the hell are you right this fucking second?
한편 떠나는 시아라에게 모든 것을 말하기로 결심한 올리버.
I'll tell you the truth. I haven't been honest with you. I was scared that if I told you what I did, you'd just run. When I was in high school, a kid drowned in the Narrow River in Rhode Island, and so senior year, I went down there with my friends Paul and Shane. The three of us were close, but it was always tense, especially between me and Paul. I think back then I would have said that he was jealous of me, of the money and the freedom I had, but that wasn't it. It was me. I was the one. I was the one who was jealous. I had no one. And this one time, Paul just attacked Shane. And he was really trying to hurt him. And then Shane got on top of Paul, and Shane just kept on pushing Paul's head underwater, just pushing and pushing and pushing. I just watched as Shane drowned him. All I wanted to do was just to move past it. I've lost every single meaningful relationship in my life. And because of that, my life is just empty. And then I met you, and you just turned on the light. I should have told you. And I hope together we can move past it.
No. We can't. Because you're a fucking liar.
하지만 올리버의 말에 거짓이 섞여 있음을 시아라는 누구보다 잘 알았습니다.
Don't fucking follow me.
끝내 화를 내고 다시 집으로 돌아온 시아라. 그런데 그곳에는 시아라의 언니가 있었는데요.
Ciara Wise.
What are you doing here?
You're living with him, aren't you? Wow, you are. That's a yes.
I did this for you. I did this for Mom. I did this for the house. We lost Dad. Mom's mind. Our entire future is just decimated. And so, yes, I came here to find Oliver St. Ledger and make him pay for what he did to our family.
Do you think Mom's gonna give a shit about the house when she finds out you saved it by fucking a psychopath?
He's not a psychopath!
Oh, he's not! Really, since when?
I know what you think about him because I thought the same thing. But Shyla, it's not that simple. He's eaten away by the guilt. He has no family. He has no friends. He literally can't sleep. He can't even say out loud what happened. And he's been psychologically disassembled by the same therapist back home. He still sees Dan Troxler.
Dan Troxler?
Yeah.
Are you fucking serious?
Yes. And he does everything he tells him. But I promise, Shyla, he's paying.
You're in love with him, aren't you?
No.
Megan, if we don't do something right fucking now, you will go to prison.
What the fuck, Shyla?
But I promise you this is not gonna come back on us.
Shyla, you're losing your mind.
I don't wanna lose you. Okay?
I'm gonna take care of it.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. Myself.
이에 시아라는 언니가 혹시나 올리버를 처리할까 걱정하게 되죠. 현재
I can't. What?
리는 더 이상 핀치와의 관계를 이어갈 수 없다고 말하는데요.
Let this get too fucking far. Stop.
Yes, you can.
Get the fuck.
Look at me. Yes, you can.
Get off me.
You can, and you will.
바로 그때
Come near my partner again. I will press your reset button. You fucking understand me?
Girl, get off of him!
다행히 일이 생기기 전에 리를 구해준 코널리는 그곳에서 핀치의 목걸이를 줍게 되죠.
Hey, I ended up stopping at a Vietnamese place. I'll text you the menu if you want me to bring you something.
한편 시아라의 음성 메시지를 들으며 그리워하던 올리버는 그녀를 찾아갈 결심을 하는데요.
It's me.
잠시 후 시아라의 집에 도착한 올리버.
Ciara? Hey, sorry. When did they finish construction on the roof? When did they finish?
What's wrong with the roof?
You didn't have a termite infestation this building? You live here, right? This is your building?
Yeah, I do. I don't know what you're talking about. The landlord doesn't do shit to this place.
남자의 충격적인 말에 혼란스러워하던 올리버는 시아라의 회사를 찾아가 봅니다.
Sir, can I help you?
Hi. She forgot her ID today.
Where did you get this? We don't have a Sierra here, and this is very strange. We don't even have these here.
Are you sure? So you're saying the woman, Ciara Wise, you've never seen her before? You've never seen her before in your life?
I have not.
그제서야 올리버는 시아라의 모든 것이 거짓이었다는 것을 알게 되죠. 같은 시간 시아라의 언니는 올리버의 상담사 댄을 찾아가는데요.
You can't just. We talk.
Right now, I'm with a patient.
Yeah, not for long. Trust me, I am doing you a favor because this guy, Dr. Truxler, is a drug dealing, parasitic, emotional pedophile.
please.
And you better
I'm sorry,
run,
she's very
not
ill.
walk to a new therapist because I
Sorry,
promise you,
this
this
is
guy
just
is
a cry
way
for
more
help.
fucked in the head than you'll ever be.
I'll call you and we'll reschedule. What is it? What do you want?
You need to get Oliver St. Ledger away from my family and keep him away, or I will. I mean it.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm calling the police.
He's fucking my sister. Oliver St. Ledger is living with my little sister. So you call Oliver right fucking now. Walk the fuck away and never come back.
시아라의 언니는 댄을 통해 올리버가 시아라를 떠나게 만들 생각이었죠. 하지만 계속해서 시아라를 그리워하는 올리버. 바로 그때 올리버는 시아라가 일부러 두고 간 노트를 발견합니다. 그리고 올리버는 시아라가 사실 자신의 과거를 알고 있었음을 깨닫죠.
Oliver, you there? Oliver?
Are you okay? What's happening? What is that? Are you there? Are you okay? Oliver, I'm telling you, you are in danger. Shane Martin's sister is there to get revenge.
It's okay, Dan. He knows.
그로부터 16년 전 시아라의 오빠 셰인과 친한 친구였던 올리버.
What I would give to be you for one day. Just one, just to try it, just to see. Not even for the money, just for the, like, silence.
I might have told Paul we would be here.
What's up, fuckheads?
평소처럼 놀던 두 사람에게 폴이 다가오는데요.
You gonna be okay? What's up?
What's up as I fucking ran here? You guys are so into this place. And don't you literally have like a massive house with a fucking helipad?
There's no helipad.
Why would anybody want to hang out here instead of there? Your dad have like a no peasant rule or something?
Fucking deal, dude.
It's buggy and clammy here and it doesn't not smell like pee.
You have a house too, dipshit.
Yeah, well, they're selling it. Because the whole divorce is my dad punishing my mom for getting mad at him for cheating. So,
How is your mom doing?
shittily. Why?
Just sucks, that's all. Makes total sense why she'd be having a tough time with everything.
Yeah. Makes total sense your mom would be running her mouth again about someone she barely fucking knows. Your mom's the one saying shit she heard from somebody who heard it from somebody like it's fucking real. She didn't think she was gonna need a basket, and then she had too many things in her hands, so she was gonna go get one. I mean, she didn't even leave the fucking store, and now everybody thinks she's a fucking thief. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry your mom's a bitch who won't shut the fuck up.
그런데 사춘기인 두 소년의 싸움은 순식간에 커져버리고 맙니다.
Hey, guys! Take a fucking sec. Take a second, okay? Chill out.
이러다 셰인이 크게 다칠까봐 풀에게 달려드는 올리버. 하지만 말리려던 올리버의 생각과 다르게 폴은 물밑으로 가라앉고 맙니다. 그날 저녁
If I say it's self-defense, if I just tell them that it's self-defense,
doesn't work like that.
They're gonna say that
Just
it's
stop.
self-defense.
But if we just, because it was you that did it. You weren't defending yourself.
We didn't go to the Narrows today after school. All right, and we didn't know Paul was gonna be there. I had to go home and babysit my sister anyway. So you gave me a ride, and then you what?
Say it.
I went home and I studied for chem until I got a headache, and then I went to bed. I'm sorry.
I know you were just trying to help me. Save me. Thanks.
그렇게 두 사람은 알리바이를 짜고 헤어지죠.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What did you do to your face?
Nothing.
You look like
No,
you...
I don't, Megan.
그러나 올리버는 죄책감에 가만히 있을 수 없었는데요.
Hey, Oliver. I don't have him, but I maybe might this weekend.
It has to be now. It's really important. Hello?
So what's so cloak and dagger?
I killed someone.
What? Who?
Paul Sparling.
결국 아빠에게 사실을 털어놓은 올리버.
Oliver, I'm Detective Sheehan. Your lawyer here, Mr. Sykes, he filled me in a little bit on what happened. But obviously, I want to hear from you. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, I was home. So after a little while, I got a headache, and I set an alarm for early so I can wake up and do some more in the morning. But then I woke up because someone was buzzing to be let in. That was Shane Martin.
Shane Martin. Okay.
하지만 올리버의 아빠는 셰인에게 혐의를 덮어 씌웁니다.
Stop! Hey! Stop it! Get out of here. Where's he going? Please, get back inside.
끝내 친했던 친구마저 잃게 된 올리버는 고통에 몸부림치며 자해를 하기에 이르죠. 다음 날 아픈 몸으로 학교에 등교한 올리버는 교내 상담사였던 댄에게 이 모습을 들키는데요.
You're about to get one demerit for being late and another for ignoring me to my face. Oh my God, are you all right? Hey, Oliver, can you open the door? Jesus, where's my? We need to call 911.
Please, please don't.
Take two, or maybe four. Look, I know you were good friends with Shane and Paul. I know you're having a hard time right now. I wish you weren't having it alone. Go easy on yourself, okay? Something terrible has happened to you, too.
Wait, please, wait.
처음 듣는 따뜻한 말에 넘어가 버린 올리버는 댄을 개인 상담사로 추천합니다.
And what makes you think my son needs your help?
From the amount of detail Oliver gave me about his present headspace and what led to it, he's gonna need therapy from someone.
And what amount of detail would that be, exactly?
It's enough to know what really happened.
The people of the state of Rhode Island versus Shane Martin. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
얼마 뒤 누명을 쓰고 징역을 살게 된 셰인. 때문에 올리버는 계속 괴로워하는데요.
Sometimes I just feel like I have to call Shane, but that's stupid because you can't call. I tried to go see him.
When did you do this?
I don't know, a month ago. They said he said no. I tried to write it in a letter.
I am disappointed. You didn't feel like this was something you could talk over with me first.
It felt like I could start with this. Send it. Is he even gonna open it?
Okay, what about this? What if I has to be put on his visitors list? But I take that with me.
이에 순진한 올리버는 댄을 철석같이 믿고 편지를 내주죠.
I'm just sorry I couldn't make myself do it before. And I know it won't make me a good person to do the right thing now, but still, I'm gonna fix everything. I promise.
그러나 돈줄을 잃기 싫었던 댄은 편지를 전달할 생각이 없었습니다.
I don't know why I didn't think you'd actually come.
I don't know why it took me so long to ask. I'm so sorry.
about all of this. It's really terrible.
Yeah, it's pretty terrible.
And now, I can't imagine what you're going through.
대는 착한 어른인 척 셰인에게 가스라이팅을 시작하는데요.
One of my clients, Dawn, her husband was doing 15 to life in McDougal. Dave had a carpet laying business with his cousin, and the cousin had a shady side thing where a guy ended up getting killed over money, and the cousin took a plea saying it was all Dave. If it's okay, just out of respect, I'm just never gonna forget that phone call. It's something called the doctrine of abatement. Look, if you're convicted at trial, even for murder, and you die in prison before all your appeals are exhausted, your conviction's automatically set aside and your indictment is dismissed like it never even happened. When he died, because he died, as far as law and the world were concerned, Dave was an innocent man.
댄의 말에 휘둘려 판단력이 흐려진 셰인은 결백을 증명할 방법은 하나뿐이라고 여기게 되죠.
They must have, Mom, okay? They wouldn't just say this is the prison
Yes,
calling,
they did.
okay?
They said this is ACI calling, and we're sorry to.
Okay, but that doesn't make any sense, Mom. Okay, so are they gonna call us back?
He would never do that.
That's okay. I'm going to call them, and I'm going to find out who called us. Okay?
Where were the guards? Right? Weren't they supposed to be watching? Where were they?
It's terrible. It's a terrible thing.
Hey. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, hold for 4. It's called box breathing.
그렇게 셰인을 죽게 만든 것이 댄인 줄 꿈에도 모르는 올리버는 더욱 그를 의지하게 됩니다. 하지만 뭔가 이상한 걸 느낀 건 바로 시아라의 언니였는데요.
Say who the fuck knows what until suddenly he thinks he has no way out.
Okay, my God.
Why'd you go to the prison?
To offer my support.
No, I want to know what kind of apocalyptic shit you said to him. Besides that, fucking Oliver St. Ledger sees you for therapy, which is... I just don't really know how to wrap my mind around that,
So
actually.
he told you that, but he didn't tell you what else we talked about?
Okay, he's figuring things out. He's taking fucking classes, and then here you are, and a month later he kills himself.
At an age where they're still struggling with coping skills and with the idea that the future even exists. Not to mention a support system at home that just isn't up to the task in a real...
그러나 이렇다 할 증거가 없는 그녀는 소득 없이 떠날 수밖에 없었죠. 그로부터 10수년 뒤
Hey. You're Megan. You're Shane's sister.
The day that Paul Sparling died, I saw you. And I knew that you were lying. But I was no one compared to you and your family. And there was nothing that I could do. And I wanted to hurt you. And so I made a plan. But then I started to know you. And I saw how lonely you were. That I didn't need to do anything to ruin your life because you were doing that on your own.
I really wanted to tell you the truth. I had so many opportunities to tell you the truth, and I didn't. I'm sorry. That your brother, he didn't deserve that. Your brother didn't do anything. It was me.
Thank you for saying that. Because I think I really needed you to say that to me. And I'm so in love with you.
I'm so in love with you.
그렇게 과거를 모두 알게 된 두 사람은 마침내 서로의 마음을 확인합니다.
Did you ask the guy about pre-foreclosure mediation, or?
I don't even know what that means. They enjoy making people homeless for a living. It's not true.
Do you ever get that feeling? Summer's in your teeth. Till not found, it makes me think until I fall asleep. If this is sort of hoping that the night's wasting, maybe I'm too. Never thought of calling.
현재 사건을 정리하던 두 형사.
So do we think Megan Martin / Sierra Wise is somewhere in the world with or without Oliver Kennedy?
Yeah, we don't know that.
바로 그때
Linus did this.
리는 총을 쏘고 도망친 범인이 핀치라는 것을 확신하는데요.
He's gonna fucking kill me. I'm so fucking
stupid. No, don't say that. You're not stupid.
이로써 핀치를 잡지 못하면 네가 언제 어떻게 될지 모르는 상황이 돼버렸죠. 이제 화면은 급히 올리버를 찾아온 과거의 댄을 비춥니다.
So do I have to call you Megan now?
No? Okay.
Thank God. I've been so worried. Your phone's going straight to voicemail.
Yeah, I turned it off.
You turned it off?
She's my girlfriend, Dan. She lives here.
You must be Megan. Megan Martin. I'm Dan Troxler. I believe we spoke on the phone.
No, I know who you are. My sister told me about you.
Oh, I see.
This doesn't have anything to do with her.
I mean, from what I understand, this woman has infiltrated your life under a pseudonym like an
또다시
asset
가스라이팅을
worker for
시작하는데
KGB. When your father and I first discussed the idea of you leaving Narragansett to get away from the constant innuendo, I warned him about the dangers of living under an alias. That one terrible mistake just invalidated your entire personhood. This is partially my fault.
Partially your fault?
Do you mind if I have a moment with my client?
For years, you convinced me that you were the only person who really knew me. You kept me isolated and scared. We're done with this, and I'm done with you.
Then I must warn you. I feel compelled to tell the police the truth. You remember this? It's the letter you wrote to your girlfriend's brother, confessing you killed Paul.
You fucking kept it?
편지가 전해지지 않았다는 사실에 충격받는 올리버.
I was trying to protect you, and I did.
You were trying to protect yourself.
Listen, I have no excuse to keep living this lie that was constructed to victimize you.
Why are you doing this? Dan, do you want me to go to prison?
I need to take full responsibility for the crime I committed. I'm sorry it came to this.
Or you wouldn't have been so ready.
True. Let me ask you this. What is the value of all the tools I've given you that you'll still use in perpetuity to manage your life? Yes, what is the value of the burden that you've been to me for so many years? Or the value of my silence in exchange for your unearned life of freedom?
그런데 그 순간 사실 올리버의 집에서 발견된 시신은 바로 댄이었던 것이죠.
Cause of death was simple blunt force trauma. A blow to the head created a segmental fracture of the parietal, causing hemorrhage. The DNA was in the database.
형사들 역시 점점 진실에 가까워지고 있었는데요.
Lost his license 2 years ago for paying a nurse to mule stolen propofol across state lines.
Heard what happened. Glad you're okay. We need to download later.
What are you gonna tell her?
I don't know. The truth?
Hey, I'm gonna need your help with something. Snatch it off your bitch-ass boyfriend's neck. I might need to use it later.
For what?
그렇게 두 사람은 핀치를 감옥에 집어넣을 방법을 떠올리죠. 한편 시신을 처리할 방법을 생각하던 두 사람.
I need to make a phone call. I got a guy.
I have a guy too, but it's a woman.
Yeah. What is it? Wait, shit. Slow down. What do you...
Do you remember, like, 5 years ago? Well, they found his body in a bathtub. Whoever did it dissolved him down to the fucking bone in, like, oven cleaner, or maybe it was drain cleaner, bleach. It's probably a mix of all of that. And they turned a heater on to make sure it happened faster.
Was the killer ever caught?
He ran away. No one knows where he is.
그렇게 댄의 시신을 처리한 두 사람은 곧장 떠날 준비를 합니다.
Can you get everything out of that safe for me, please? The code is 137324. Yeah, I need a favor. Yeah, can you have somebody meet me at Marshfield today? Yeah. Thanks. 5. Got it.
Here's what we got the day of the crime.
그리고 코널리는 아파트 관리자에게 핀치에 대해 묻는데요.
Man, that's Finch.
Nah. You ever see him around here?
Yeah.
You ever see him with the injectable propofol?
I wouldn't know any of that, man. That's not my bag.
Yeah, but you could believe it, though, right?
I could believe anything after all the shit I've been seeing around here lately.
You know where I might find him in any of this?
Maybe. It looks like at 7:48 a.m. on the 5th floor, which is the same floor as apartment 11.
Print that up for me, all right?
그렇게 핀치를 이번 사건의 용의자로 만들 준비를 하는 코널리. 같은 시간 리 역시 상사에게 핀치와 사귀었다는 사실을 고백합니다.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes it sound even worse, but yeah, it's true. You know, I was there to question him, but he was,
Go get back to work.
I will. Last favor? Carl and I want to pass off the Crossings case.
Thought you were close.
Yeah, we are, but I have a connection to one of the suspects.
Finch is a suspect.
He might be.
그로부터 얼마 뒤
Dear Mom, I hope you can forgive me the way I've forgiven Oliver. Everyone tells lies. For whatever reason, fate seems to be on my side lately. Did Oliver pay for my mistakes? I know he paid for his. So did we. For years, we paid dearly. But now, I hope you'll agree that we're all in a better place.
끝내 살인 사건의 범인은 핀치로 처리되고
Everyone calls me crazy. But hey, let's be honest, so is he.
떠난 곳에서 행복하게 살아가는 올리버와 메건의 모습을 끝으로 드라마 56데이즈는 막을 내립니다.